Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Real Exam Question Series, and this is 60th video in this series. It means that we have covered 59 real exam questions, real reorder paragraphs जो students को आए हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the hacks, tips and tricks to solve them quickly. So let's get started. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE, and in this video series we teach you the same tips and strategies so that you guys can also achieve your target score. And that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PTE is accepted in UK, so if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can do it through PTE, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE Academic. PTE Reading is an integrated module. It's of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90. Now you know that it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types, the order for which is fixed now. And the third question type in this order is reorder paragraph, which is the topic of our today's video. And this is the detailed scoring where you can see that reorder paragraphs are of 6 marks, the PTE reading module is of 47 marks. It means that if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. So that's why they are important, especially when you are looking for 65 or 79 marks, because only then you are able to achieve. Because in reading, we have strategies for reorder paragraphs, reading and writing, filling the blanks, reading, filling the blanks. So you need to make sure that you are getting your reorder paragraphs 100% correct. And trust me, they are very simple if you follow the right strategies. So the first thing which you need to remember is that you have to solve your reorder paragraph within 2 minutes. So अब इन 2 मिनट में क्या आप सारा रीऑर्डर पैराग्राफ के जो सेंटेंसेस हैं उनको पढ़ के उनके मीनिंग समझ सकते हो? द आंसर इज नो. So what is the right strategy? The right strategy is you have to do the skimming first and then you have to apply strategies and then you have to make pairs. You should focus on pairs and then confirm if all the pairs are correct. And this is today's reorder paragraph. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this, and after that we are going to start it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we do the skimming for finding independent line and finding concluding line. हमारे कुछ certain rules हैं which we follow for finding independent line, and we follow a process of elimination, and I call process of elimination our best friend forever in PT. And what process of elimination does, we eliminate the wrong options, we keep eliminating them, and then जो option बचती है, generally 1 or 2 lines बचती हैं, and those are our independent lines. Okay, so let's get started with this. It is a truism to say that in 21st century society, science and technology are important. Okay, क्या ये independent line हो सकती है? हो सकती है. This is like a cleft sentence. Okay, right? Where जो आपका it है वो represent कर रहा है, it is working as a pronoun, right? And it is a cleft sentence. Okay, but it is an independent line because it को बहुत बार आप ऐसे independent line के लिए भी use करते हो. जरूरी नहीं है कि किसी चीज को refer करे. Coming to the next one, but the fact, but एक तरह से contrast है. सेम रूल जो हम however के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं वो आपका एक सेकंड ओपिनियन स्टार्ट करता है, कंट्रास्टिंग ओपिनियन होता है. सो कंट्रास्टिंग वाली चीज कभी भी इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती है. सो however इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन नहीं हो सकती, द सेम वे बट वाली लाइन भी इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकती. Whether this is good or bad is of course up for argument. This, अब this किसको सिग्निफाई कर रहा है? You don't know that. So that's why right? This cannot be an independent line. Human existence in the developed world is entirely dependent on some fairly recent developments in science and technology. Yes, अब ये भी independent line हो सकती है, right? Because it's acting as an independent line. So now you have two independent lines, right? अब आपको ये चीज डिसाइड करनी होती है कौन सी फर्स्ट लाइन बनेगी. अब रिमेंबर, जब भी दो से ज्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट लाइंस होती हैं, वी फॉलो आर BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. यहाँ पे टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से देखिए, यहाँ पे कौन सी बात हो रही है, 21st सेंचुरी. अब 21st सेंचुरी के कौन से ईयर्स होते हैं, राइट? 21st सेंचुरी के ईयर्स होते हैं 2001 टू 2099. अभी हम कौन सी सेंचुरी में रह रहे हैं, 21st सेंचुरी में, और ईयर्स कौन से चल रहे हैं, 2000s, राइट? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग बिकॉज बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज करते हैं इस चीज को. सेकेंड थिंग, यहाँ पे अब कौन सी बात हो रही है, सम फेयरली रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स. अब फेयरली रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स की बात आप कौन सी चीज कह सकते हो, कितने ईयर्स? यू कैन से 5 years, 10 years, मे बी 20 years, राइट? लेट्स से 30 years, इस तरह से. बट कैन यू से द होल सेंचुरी फेयरली रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स में? द आंसर इज नो. सो कौन सी चीज ब्रॉड है, सेंचुरी वाली बात ब्रॉड है. So that's why we are going to choose this as our independent line. I hope this is clear. Now, but क्या होता है, हमारा एक तरह से contrasting character होता है, contrast दे रहा है, and contrast generally हम last के लिए रखते हैं. So let's eliminate this for now. What you need to do is, अब आपको सिर्फ इन दो sentences की position समझनी है. कौन सा sentence, ये second sentence बनेगा या ये second sentence बनेगा, right? अब उस चीज के लिए हमारा ग्रामर का कंसेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, विच इज सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या है, आर इंपॉर्टेंट. आर क्या है, प्लूरल है. अब आपको ये डिसाइड करना है कि ये देखिए दिस है, दिस क्या है, सिंगुलर है, राइट? सो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल तो आपस में लिंक नहीं हो सकते, राइट? सो अगर इस चीज को रेफर कर रहा होता तो कैसे करता, दीज करके रेफर कर रहा होता. सो ये वाली जो लाइन है वो हमेशा इसके बाद ही आएगी, राइट? Because contrast वाली last में आएगी, so you know that now your second line is this one. Okay, so this is your second line. Now moving on to the third line, you know that this is your going to be the third line, and this one will be your last line. And now let's see if the pairing what we have made is correct or not. Yes, the pair which we have made are correct. So you see how simple things can be if you know the right strategies. So in Marvel PTE, we teach our students how to find independent lines. You have seen its importance today. Then brought to specific strategy, you have seen its importance today. Chronological strategy, you have seen in it action today because we were dealing with the time. LO strategy, logical order strategy, you have seen it today because जो this है वो these के साथ refer होना चाहिए था, R लिखा हुआ था, तो इसलिए we didn't make that pair. कनेक्टर्स के थ्रू लाइक बट एक तरह से कनेक्टर है. यू हैव सीन दिस स्ट्रैटेजी अगेन टुडे दैट कि आपने ये देखा कि आपका जो बट वाला सेंटेंस है कंट्रास्ट है तो हमेशा जनरली लास्ट में आता है. टीओ स्ट्रैटेजी, टॉपिकल ऑर्डर स्ट्रैटेजी, एबी स्ट्रैटेजी, एब्रीवेशन स्ट्रैटेजी, एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी एंड लास्ट सेंटेंस रूल्स. यू सॉ टुडे द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लास्ट सेंटेंस रूल ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी नो बट के साथ कंट्रास्ट आता है और कंट्रास्ट हमेशा लास्ट में होता है, right? Because it's a second opinion. So I hope this is clear, all the rules are clear to you, and always remember you just have 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraph. So in first 30 to 60 seconds you are going to skim the content. आपको content skim करना है, then you have to find an independent line, and then you have to find an conclusion line, and in next 30 to 60 seconds you have to apply our strategies. Always remember finding concluding line can be optional, but independent line आपको जरूर पता होनी चाहिए कौन सी independent line होगी. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have achieved 90, 87, 86, 82 and 81 marks. So if these guys can score, you can also score. Now, if you have any question, any doubts, or you want to take online coaching, in-institute coaching, you can WhatsApp us at 8699121121. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.